Alright, most people think Cialis is just for performance in the bedroom, but did you know it can actually help your heart and lungs? Today, we're uncovering 7 hidden benefits of Cialis that go far beyond what you might expect. Most of you already know Cialis as the go-to for enhancing performance, but there's much more to this little yellow pill than just that. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly cover how Cialis works. It's what's known as a PDE5 inhibitor. Now, that might sound a bit technical, but here's what you need to know. PDE5 is an enzyme that can restrict blood flow in various parts of the body. Cialis inhibits this enzyme, allowing blood vessels to relax and expand, improving circulation where it matters most, throughout your entire body. That's why Cialis is so effective in treating conditions beyond just ED. Today, we're going to reveal the top 7 hidden benefits of Cialis that you may not have heard about. Stick around, because some of these might surprise you. Let's start with something that many men might relate to: improving urinary health. As we age, our urinary system undergoes changes that can lead to lower urinary tract symptoms, or LUTs. You might notice waking up multiple times at night, frequent urges to urinate, or a weak slow stream. Over time, the muscles around the bladder and prostate stiffen, and the bladder itself may not empty completely. This leads to the frustrating feeling of always needing to go, and let's not forget those last few drops that seem to always end up on your pants. Here's where Cialis comes into play. Cialis works by inhibiting the enzyme PDE5, which increases nitric oxide levels, relaxing the smooth muscles in the bladder, neck, and prostate. This allows for more complete bladder emptying, reducing pressure and discomfort. A study published in the Journal of Urology in 2016 showed that Cialis significantly reduced these symptoms, making nighttime bathroom trips far less frequent. Now let's move on to chronic prostatitis, an inflammation of the prostate that can cause significant discomfort, especially as men age. Symptoms can range from pelvic pain, painful urination, and even discomfort during ejaculation. It can also lead to a reduced interest in sexual activity due to ongoing pain and discomfort. Have you ever found yourself avoiding intimacy or struggling with daily activities because of this? Cialis might offer some relief. Although it's not a cure for bacterial infections, Cialis has been shown to reduce symptoms of chronic prostatitis by improving blood circulation and relaxing prostate muscles. This eases inflammation, relieving pain, and helping you regain comfort in both everyday activities and intimacy. Studies show that by enhancing blood flow, Cialis can help reduce inflammation associated with chronic prostatitis, offering long-term relief. Next up, let's talk about chronic pelvic pain syndrome, a condition that can make daily life frustrating due to discomfort and urine flow obstruction. If you've ever experienced that constant nagging pain in your pelvic region, you know how disruptive it can be. Here's how Cialis helps. By relaxing the bladder and surrounding pelvic muscles, it reduces the tension that causes pain and discomfort. This relaxation also improves urine flow, making daily activities easier and relieving that constant pressure. Studies have shown that for men with chronic pelvic pain, Cialis offers significant relief by easing muscle tension and improving comfort. It helps you get back to living without that persistent pain holding you back. Now let's dive into something that affects many people as they age: blood pressure. As we get older, our blood vessels naturally lose flexibility, making it harder for blood to flow freely. This stiffening causes the heart to work harder to pump blood, leading to increased blood pressure. It's something we should take seriously as it creeps up over time. Here's how Cialis can help. By increasing nitric oxide levels, Cialis relaxes and widens stiff blood vessels. Nitric oxide signals the smooth muscles in your blood vessel walls to relax. When these muscles relax, the blood vessels widen, allowing blood to flow more easily, reducing the strain on your heart. This improved circulation naturally lowers blood pressure, which is especially useful if you've been hovering around the high blood pressure zone. Always consult your doctor, especially if you're on blood pressure medications, to ensure Cialis is safe for you. Before we dive into the next point, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us know we're creating content that matters to you. So go ahead and subscribe. Let's talk about something crucial: heart health. Maintaining healthy arteries is key to preventing serious heart issues, especially as we age. Research shows that Cialis can actually improve endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of your arteries. When the endothelium stays healthy, your arteries remain flexible and expand when needed. Over time, inflammation and plaque buildup can stiffen these vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Cialis improves blood flow and reduces inflammation, keeping arteries flexible and reducing strain on the heart. But remember, Cialis can give your heart some extra protection, but it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Eating well, exercising, and managing stress are all just as important. Now, this might surprise you, Cialis isn't just for blood pressure and performance, it's also used to treat pulmonary hypertension. This is high blood pressure in the arteries of the lungs, which can make breathing difficult and lead to heart failure. It's a condition that often goes unnoticed until it's severe, but Cialis can help relieve that pressure. At higher doses, Cialis works by relaxing and widening the blood vessels in your lungs, just like it does for your heart. This improves blood flow through the lungs, making it easier for your heart to pump and easier for you to breathe. In some cases, this hidden benefit of Cialis can be a real lifesaver. If you or someone you know is dealing with pulmonary hypertension, talk to a healthcare professional to see if Cialis could be part of the treatment plan. Finally, let's talk about something really important. Cialis may actually help reduce your risk of cardiovascular mortality. Research has shown that Cialis can improve the health of your arteries by reducing inflammation and supporting better blood flow. By improving endothelial function, Cialis keeps your blood vessels flexible and healthy. For men with erectile dysfunction, this improvement in blood vessel health may also lower the risk of heart disease. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some of the potential side effects of Cialis. Like any medication, it's important to be aware of what might come with the benefits. Common side effects include headaches, indigestion, muscle aches, and back pain. These usually fade after a few hours, but if they persist, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor. One of the more serious side effects to be aware of is a drop in blood pressure. Cialis works to widen blood vessels, but sometimes it can lower blood pressure too much, especially if you're taking medications for heart conditions or high blood pressure. Another potential, but rare, side effect is priapism, an erection lasting longer than 4 hours. While this might sound amusing, it's actually a medical emergency. Seek medical attention immediately to prevent long-term damage. Finally, if you experience vision changes, dizziness, or chest pain while taking Cialis, stop using it and consult a healthcare professional immediately.